company's social media pages can be a time-consuming task. There are many media management firms that will take over your pages for a price. If you are thinking about outsourcing your social media marketing to an outside agency, there are several things you should consider before turning over your pages. First, can the agency use their influence to gain more traction for your brand and reputation? Ask about their understanding of influence and how to use it for media marketing. Does the agency have any connections that overlap to your industry? Do they represent competitors? Don't write off an agency just because they represent your competitor, as they should be constantly monitoring any brand they represent and therefore should be in tune with the most cutting-edge marketing solutions. Another thing you should know is that the best user-generated content is usually produced by professionals. Agencies generally employ copywriters whose sole job it is to write copy or content for publishing on various channels, be it blogs, Facebook posts, or tweets. This is one of the benefits of outsourcing your social media and should be considered. For most small businesses, copywriting is not something with a dedicated job position, so the time and skill to write good content is often overlooked or done poorly. The last thing you should ask is if the agency will focus on specific digital channels for your business or try to cover all of them. The best marketing strategy is to hone in on what will work for your business and not try to spread yourself thin. Not every business is visual enough to warrant having an Instagram account, but may benefit from a Pinterest page instead. Focusing your best content on select channels will ensure your audience is getting the most out of it, so make sure your strategy fits your business. Third-party marketing agencies exist to professionally put out creative content related to your business. If this is something your business is considering doing, don't be afraid to ask what they will do for you. After all, that's why you will be paying them, not the other way around. Putting your reputation in the hands of an outside party can be daunting, but if you find the right agency, it could be a match made in heaven. Good luck, thanks for watching.